Hello friends, how are you friends? Today I have chosen and brought one of the most significant topics in health and safety, which is regarding the safety laws. So first act I will discuss with you, which is regarding the Factory Act, was introduced in 1948. So this act mainly focuses on health and safety related matters for the employees working within the factory. Overall welfare facilities for the workers, their minimum age to work, their health related facilities, their leave with pay, their equipment which they will use during the work within the industry should be inspected and maintained properly. Hazardous processes should be safe for the workers working within the industry, and penalties if there is any violation, serious violation from the employees working within the industry. So penalties will be issued, and disciplinary action will be taken against them. So these are the main things in this act for the employees. Now the next act is the Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996 and Rule 1998. This act also regulates the employment and overall condition of the buildings, service of the building, and employees facilities, health and safety related facilities, welfare facilities, like that. So the next act is Child and Adolescent Labor Act 1986. In this act, it is prohibited to assign children on all occupations, and adolescent child in hazardous process working activities within the industry. So this overall prohibits the engagement of the child working in the industry from their permitted age. So the next is the Contract Labor Act 1970. In this act, each and every employer is responsible to pay the wages of workers as per rules assigned with him in the contract. So all his duties and days which he performed working with the employer, and his wages as per his rights must be paid by the employer. So the next is Employees Compensation Act 1923. In this act, employer or company is responsible to pay any worker which faces a serious injury or any thing related during the accident happened. So compensation and insurance amount will be paid to the affected employee. So the next act is Gas Cylinder Rules 2016. So in this act, all the gas cylinders will be stored safely away from the ignition sources. Their storage areas will be safe, and temperature will be maintained, will be stored vertically, and proper preservation system will be followed. Their caps will be maintained, their log sheets, their amount of liquid inside the cylinder will be mentioned on the tag. So type of gas cylinder, type, nature of gas, so these all the things in detail will be mentioned. This rule gives us indication to protect, how to protect the gas cylinders while using. So the next act is Motor Vehicle Act 1988. In this act, motor vehicles are insured, and if any vehicle gets damage, losses during the accidents, so motor vehicles owners get the insurance. So third party, when accident happens at workplace, sometime is not responsible. When the vehicle is insured, so the owner can claim its loss or harm happens at road. So the next act is Electricity Act 2003. In this act, electricity related things are covered, like electricity generation, distribution, transmission, and trading related matters are the part of this act. So the next act is Air Pollution Act 1987. So in this act, air pollution is prevented and reduced, and further steps are taken how to prevent and how to control the pollution, air pollution related problems in this act. So the next act is Water Pollution Act 1974 and 1977. So in this act, uh, things are covered, how to protect the water from the pollution. So this act basically covers all the steps, water pollution related matters. So the next act is Environment Protection Act 1986. So in this act, overall environment is protected. Its protection, its preservation, conservation, its improvement. So all the environment related things and safe steps are considered in it, how we can protect our environmental related problems. So this act especially covers all the environment related things.